In this video, I'll be showing you how to share selected parts of your Datablaze tables publicly or as password-protected views. This is a table with some items I'd like to sell. I want to share this view publicly so that people can see what's available. I can do this by clicking on the Share View button to generate a private shareable link to this specific view. Once I have my link, I can copy it with a click and share it with anyone. All they need to do is visit the link in their favorite browser. Note that the links are intentionally long to prevent people from guessing them. Viewers will be able to filter, sort, and hide columns in their own view without affecting any other viewers. Back in my Datablaze dashboard, I can change the settings of this private URL anytime. I can generate a new URL, making the old one obsolete. I can also add password protection or even disable the shared link altogether. Now, let's say I've sold some items and I want people to only see the items that are still available. Let's create a new view, set a filter accordingly, and create a new shareable link for this view. Notice that if I change the availability for one of my rows in Datablaze, the shared view is updated automatically to reflect that. It's also possible to embed your private shareable link on your own website. This is great if you have an online store or a list of services available. The method may vary depending on your website, but here's how you can do it on a Google site. Just copy your shareable link from Datablaze, go to your Google site dashboard, click on the Embed button and paste the URL. This will create an iframe that contains a dynamic version of your table view. As with the shared link, the view will be updated in real time to reflect any changes you make in your Datablaze view.